In this segment of this video, we will see use of Microsoft Outlook. As a professional, you need to maintain four things. First, your email communication. Second, your calendar for events. Third, your networking, means people contacts. And fourth, your habits. And if you are able to manage these four things in your life, in your professional life, you will be a very effective professional. And that is what Microsoft Outlook helps. So let's see how you can do all these four things. So here you can see at the very top we have inbox. So from there you can manage your emails. We have many more features. That is what we will discuss in coming videos. And after that you can see we have calendar. Under calendar you can see a booking. You can see by month. You can see by week. You can see by day. So this is how you can organize your events. You can also create new events for your calendar. You can also create multiple calendar. For example, if you are a salesperson, you can create a sales calendar. You can create your personal calendar or your organizational calendar. That is what you can create multiple calendars based on your requirement. For example, I have a calendar, then I have a sales calendar, I have birthday calendar. So that is how you can check it and see here. Apart from that, you can see we have people. So here you can add new contacts. For example, you are getting visiting cards from many businesses, but it will be very hard for you to remember all those names. So what you can do is you can come here, add new contacts in this group. You can also create contact group, contact lists. For example, you can categorize it in a multiple categories. For example, manufacturers, service providers, or any different kind of category you want to create. You can create and add people under that, so you can easily find those people whenever required. Also, after that, you can see we have to dos. So under to dos you can create your daily to dos, your recurring to dos, your weekly to dos, or monthly to dos. For example, I created many monthly to dos, many daily to dos. So that is how you can create and organize your habits as well. So if you are able to manage all these four things as a professional, you will be a very effective and productive professional in your life.